Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I just made a video about a pin jig, placing a text inside of a box if you had a pin jig, and I did it with it vertically, and I thought I'd do one horizontally because it's exactly the same. But once again, you have to select your text first, and then select your box and hit C, E. It's still going to center it horizontally and vertically inside that box. Doesn't matter what order you do it in, but you don't have to have it like this. A lot of people might have questioned whether you had to, go up to a range and hit, there's C is hard. I mean, C or E is centers it horizontally, and C does it vertically. So it doesn't matter what size the box is or what angle the box is at. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.